Hey everybody, it's the VW guy, and in this video today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil service reminder on a 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan. When you first start the car, you'll get this screen right here. You're going to want to go over right here in your steering wheel controls and hit the sideways button here. You want to get onto this distance and time right here. Then hit the sideways button again, this one. And then here you want to come down to long term. So scroll down one using these buttons here. So we're on long term now. Now that you're on long term, you want to long press this sideways button for about 10 seconds. So go. All right, 10. And when you release, you'll get the oil service menu here. Now you can just scroll with these buttons here to reset oil change. Press OK. And OK again. And then down to reset inspection service, and press OK there as well. It'll ask you, and hit OK. And OK again to clear the screen. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give me a like, and I'll see you on the next one.